Ntam no mama Asante Major nya de obedima de na no wo kan no aka no wa.
It happened in the days that the first occupant of the gold stool Otumfuo Osei Tutu needed badly successor to him.
Na nanim de obedina de.
Since Azantes are matrilineal, it meant that only his nephew could succeed him.
His
sister was married to the chief of Amako and had had 2 miscarriages. Okɔmfo Anokye wasn't pleased with this development, so he performed rituals which eventually helped the 3rd pregnancy to result in the birth of a son. The child was given to the mother of the chief of Pampaso. Okɔmfo planted a spear in the ground and commanded that the 3rd seed, which had germinated into a son, So Otumfuo Osei Tutu I said, this incident will become his end time, because the first and second ones both failed to germinate any seed until the 3rd one. The child eventually succeeded. Otumfuo Osei Tutu. As Otumfuo, Opoku Ware Katakyie